Hi, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to create a money manager using Excel. So the easiest and best way to do this is to open Excel and go to New, and we're going to search for a template. So let's try Manage Money and see what comes up. And we have one, a simple personal cash flow. This is a pretty good one, but let's try some other words that might bring up some great options. So how about personal budget? And if you're looking for this already, good for you, because budgeting is one thing that most people don't do. So now we've got some other options here, and I'm really a big fan of this personal monthly budget because not only does it allow you to budget, but then you can go back in and put your actual expenses and see how well you did that month. So there you are, using Excel to help you manage your money. Just go out and search for some templates. Thanks for watching.